All right. All right, guys. You're welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you an introduction to Snapchat ads, right? This is how to run ads on Snapchat. Now, again, just like the rest of the videos in this section, Snapchat also have their own platform where they have designed how to teach people to run ads with their platform. This is for Snapchat, guys. Just like I showed you on Facebook, just like I showed you on LinkedIn and Twitter, this is the one for Snapchat, okay? And again, this link will be available for you in the resource section. So let's click on the link, copy the link, and then let's open up a new page. Okay, open up a new page, and then we can go to the Snapchat school. It's a Snapchat school. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is for Snapchat. Okay, it's called Focus. Focus.snapchat.com/student/catalog. So here is the platform designed by Snapchat to teach you how to run ads with Snapchat. Okay, this is Snapchat Essentials, e-commerce essentials, app essentials, mobile games essential. The thing about Snapchat is that it's optimized for mobile, right? It's very, very optimized for mobile. So most things that we're talking about will be mobile stuff. Look at this: ads manager campaign activation, ads manager campaign optimization, augmented reality strategies, augmented reality strategies for advertisers. Okay, so this is it, guys. These platforms are not known to a lot of people, but today you know about this platform. You can easily pick one. You can easily choose from anyone, and then you take your time, learn how to run ads. And I have been opportune to learn this stuff. And you see, Snapchat, the way Snapchat teaches stuff is so easier. Look at this: 27 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 21 minutes. You can literally spend like 1 hour. You have learned three courses, right? This and this, for example. 27 plus 20, 47 plus 20, 67. Just an hour plus. You have already gone through, like three, what would I call it, curriculum on Snapchat ads. And then the next day you can just do another three, spending 1 hour per day. You can just clear this, see the extra credits, business help center, Snapchat ads for every business, create an ad. So you look at this, so simple. And then you can still log in like the rest of it using your Snapchat account to log in. And then you continue to learn. So this is it, guys. This platform is not known by a lot of people, but Snapchat has made it free so that people can actually learn how to run ads on Snapchat, and then they can use their platform to run those ads. Okay. So you see this, it says, "Welcome to Snapchat Focus, the official Snapchat learning portal for digital marketers like you. Whether you are learning the basics or honing in on a specialty, Snap Focus courses and certification help you develop the skills you need to plan, buy, and run effective Snapchat campaigns." So, guys, I'm giving you the official stuff here. No one is going to give you this, but you have to thank your stars that you are here, and you are here with me in this course, and I'm showing you the the real thing, you know, the real thing and the real sources of where to get what you want and to be the best of what you want to be. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.